Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sutton and thank you for joining me for another North Oaks News Update. As students and families prepare for a new school year, August is the perfect time to focus on children's health, wellness, and readiness for success. From annual checkups and sports physicals to healthy sleep habits and nutrition, every step we take today helps children to learn, grow, and thrive tomorrow. August is also Children's Eye Health and Safety Month. Clear vision plays an important role in a child's success in the classroom and beyond. We encourage parents and caregivers to schedule routine eye exams, promote healthy screen time habits, and ensure children wear protective eyewear during sports and recreational activities. At North Oaks, we're honored to partner with our families by providing the care, resources, and support children need to start the school year healthy, confident, and ready to shine. Thank you for trusting us with your care. Together, we're improving lives every time, every touch.